Hi, I'm Sarah, and if you're like me and you suffer from a little thing called Keratosis Pilaris, or what is commonly known as chicken skin, then you're not alone. You're exactly like me, and luckily there's something that you can do about it. I remember feeling embarrassed and I had no idea what to do, and I asked, my beautician what to do. She had no idea as well. But thankfully, I came across Angela Steinberg's systems called Banish My Bumps, and it's not expensive. There's no expensive creams that you need to buy or anything like that. Everything is completely natural and safe. And the best thing is you can get all of the ingredients from your local drugstore for all under about $15, which is amazing. So in addition, if you're a parent and maybe your child has this issue, don't worry, she covers that in her system as well. So if you feel unsure about the system, you really don't need to worry. I'm providing a link below, but just know that if you're not satisfied for any reason whatsoever, you can return it and get all of your money back. So give it a try. I highly recommend the Banish My Bumps system. It's great. It worked for me. I know it will work for you.